So you're a straight shooter when it comes to camping, but you want some features in your travel trailer that will keep you and your family cozy, right? Well, aim your sights on the Keystone Bullet. The Bullet is a dual-axle, smooth-sided laminate travel trailer with floor plans to choose from for the camping couple and campground-loving family. What I'm going to do here is take you on a journey through the Keystone Bullet to show you its features both inside and out, talk a bit about construction, then give you some solid examples of what vehicles can be used to tow it. Are you ready? Good. Let's go. When entering the Bullet, pause for a second to enjoy the interior the Bullet designers call tranquil timber. It's subtle yet elegant. If we take a look at the ceiling, you'll see the strips of light that the designers call line light interior lights. Cool thing about them, aside from their looks of course, is the fact that they are dimmable. And since we're already looking at the ceiling, another great feature is the 15,000 BTU ducted AC. Plus, every Bullet has 50 amp service with second AC prep. It's part of the Blade high-performance airflow system, which gives you, according to Keystone, 20% more cooling power, which is quite impressive. Some mornings and evenings you'll need some heat, and you'll get your toes nice and toasty with a 30,000 BTU furnace. Plus, there's an electric fireplace for added warmth, and combined with the dimmable lights, provides some nice ambiance. The flooring is residential durable Bow-Floor vinyl, which is easy to keep clean and way better than carpeting. The Bullet also utilizes HyperDeck flooring, which won't absorb moisture, is lighter than standard flooring, and has greater screw retention. But back to comfort, let's talk a little bit about furniture. Bullets will have you relaxing in the upgraded tri-fold sofa, theater seats, or both. Yes, some models will have multiple lounging areas. Most Bullet models also come with the Dream Booth dinette. What makes it a dream, you ask? Well, there's no table legs, so you can easily slide in and out, and a simple lever helps you convert it into a sleeping space. Oh, and there is easily accessible storage space under the seats as well. On select models, you can also opt for a freestanding dinette if you feel the need to have chairs. Adding more ambiance, as well as making the cabin dark for sleeping, are the deluxe nightshades. As for Bullet entertainment, every model comes with a 12-volt smart TV, so you can operate it on just the RV's battery power. You'll also get USB ports all over the place, plus 4G LTE and Wi-Fi prep, plus the Key TV multi-source signal controller for easy TV hookup. When it comes to the Bullet kitchen, every model has a solid seamless countertop and a lot of it, with some models even boasting a kitchen island. Making it very easy for meal prep and cleanup is the fabulous stainless steel farm-style sink and the waterfall pull-down faucet. For cooking, you'll get the 3-burner high-output range with a glass cover and oven, plus a microwave. For cold storage, you'll get a 10 cubic foot, 12-volt double-door fridge. For your dry goods, you'll get pantry space, full extension pull-out drawers, and plenty of cabinets. Cabinetry actually has me thinking a little bit more about interior storage, and you'll find plenty of it in a Bullet bedroom. At minimum, you'll get shirt closets and overhead cabinets. Some models will come with a dresser, while others will have a wardrobe closet in the front cap, plus come with washer and dryer hookup for just a few more conveniences of home. For the bed, every Bullet is literally fit for a king, as there's a 70 by 80 inch king mattress complete with a decorative bedspread and a decorative headboard. Every Bullet has individual reading lights as well as bedside outlets with USB and USB-C ports, and if you are so inclined, the Bullet bedroom has TV hookup. As for the bathroom in a Bullet, it tends to feel pretty residential. The countertop is residential style, and you'll get a mirrored medicine cabinet. You're going to love the residential size shower, either rectangular or radius depending upon model, with the surround complete with multiple shelves for your bathing products. And to top it all off, so to speak, the shower comes with a nice skylight. You'll also get to enjoy that shower for longer, as the Bullet has a Girard tankless water heater, so you can hook up to city water and steam up the bathroom with your near limitless hot water. And if you happen to be connected to city water, the Bullet has a 54-gallon fresh tank, which is a healthy amount of fresh water. FYI, 54 gallons is approximately 430 pounds of weight or so, so if you're hauling that around, be sure to take it into account. On the exterior of the Bullet, you'll get a large pass-through storage with extra large baggage doors, 30 by 20 inches, and there's a motion sensor light, which is great for grabbing gear at night. Right under the pass-through storage sits the power stabilizer jacks, which make it nice and easy to keep everything from rocking after you level your trailer out. Up front, you'll get a power tongue jack, which helps to connect and disconnect from your tow vehicle quickly and easily. Right behind it sits a 12-volt distribution box where all your wires are much more neatly stored so they're not hanging around everywhere. You'll notice the graphics on the front cap as well as the edge lighting that matches what we saw inside. There's also edge lighting on the rear exterior wall as well. The tires are Goodyear Endurance with premium aluminum wheels, and select models also come with an outdoor kitchen with griddle cooktop and beverage fridge, which is just a very convenient feature. You'll also get 110-volt outlets so you can plug in a TV and watch it under the awning. In the rear, the Bullet has a ladder so you can inspect the fully walkable roof, and there's backup camera prep so you can drop in a camera if you so choose. Also in the back, you'll find the rear accessory hitch, so if you want, you can add a bike carrier or storage rack. Up in the front on the off-camp side will be the convenience center with water hookups, a shower with hot and cold water, and a 40-foot spray hose. Plus, there's the battery disconnect that will help extend your battery's life, as does solar. Every Bullet comes Keystone Solar Flex ready with Protect 220 and Discover 440i packages available. One more feature, you'll get the Extended Season Camping Thermal Package, which allows you to stretch your camping season earlier into the spring and deeper into the fall. When it comes to construction, a Bullet is engineered specifically for each floor plan, but the great construction basics are found in every model. The front cap is a new high-impact thermoset resin. Every Bullet comes with a fully walkable roof over your head and has a one-piece polypropylene heated and enclosed underbelly at your feet. Also at your feet is the Dexter Torflex independent rubber suspension, which comes with a 10-year warranty. The windows are 80% tinted safety glass, which makes it easy to see outside and very difficult for the sun's rays to slide in. Bullets also have Keystone exclusive goodies such as color-coded unified wiring, tough-lock thermoplastic tuck joiners, and true fit slide construction for a solid steel for the slide-outs. Slide-outs on every Bullet, by the way, will be on a BAL AccuSlide slide-out system with a manual override. All right, let's talk towing. At minimum, the gross weight is 8,500 pounds and max is 10,500. At that level, in order to be confident your transmission isn't going to give up crossing over a mountain pass, you'll need to be at minimum in the full-size truck category. Great examples of full-size trucks, it'll be half tons, right? Like the Ford F-150 or F-150 Lightning, Chevy Silverado 1500, Ram 1500, possibly a Tesla Cybertruck, depending on which Bullet model you want, and maybe a Toyota Tundra, depending upon trim level. If you need help finding the tow capacity of your truck, just hop in your truck and drive to your local Camping World, and they'll be happy to help you figure it out. While you're there, hopefully you'll be able to touch a Keystone Bullet yourself and see if it's right for you. Happy RV shopping and happy camping.